Fraction and decimal, standard 7 NCERT, exercise 2.1, question number 5. Find the perimeter of, this is a figure given, triangle ABE and rectangle BCDE in this figure, and whose perimeter is greater. So first we have to find the perimeter of triangle, then perimeter of rectangle, and then we have to tell that who is greater. Before that, first what we will do, we will put the values. We know that AB is how much? 5 by 2 centimeter. This is given. Okay, then BE is 2 3 by 4. Okay, so 2 3 by 4 means 2 into 4 plus 3 upon 4, that is 2 8 9 10 11 11 upon 4. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 3 11, and AE is 3 3 by 5. Okay, so 3 into 5 plus 3 upon 5, that is 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 upon 5 centimeter. Okay, and this is already given. ED is equals to 7 by 6 centimeter. Now we have just first converted the values. One more thing, we know that in the rectangle opposite sides are equal. So this value will also become 2 3 by 4, and opposite sides are equal, so it will also become 7 by 6. Okay, we no need of that, but just I am telling you for the information. Then we will find the perimeter of both the things. First we will find the perimeter of a triangle. Okay, perimeter of triangle ABE. What do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter means addition of the all sides or sum of all the sides, that is AB plus BE plus AE. Okay, this side plus this side plus this side. Okay, already we know that AB is 5 by 2 centimeter, BE is 11 by 4 centimeter, plus A is 18 by 5 centimeter. Right. Now what we will do? Again, LCM. Already I have taught you how to find the LCM in question number 3. So you can just go and observe the question number 3. Now your LCM is 20. Okay, LCM is 20. To make the denominator same, what will I do? 5 by 2 multiply by 10 multiply by 10. So it will become 20 plus 11 into 5, 4 into 5. So it will become 20 plus 18 upon 5 into 4 into 4. So it will become 20. Why I have done this? To make the denominator same. Okay, so it will become 50 upon 20 plus 55 upon 20 plus 72 upon 20. So what will be my answer? If I add it, 50 plus 55 plus 72, it is 177 upon 20. Okay, so therefore the perimeter of a triangle ABE is how much? 177 upon 20. Even if you want, you can convert it. It will become 817 by 20 centimeter. Okay, now we got the perimeter of a triangle. Same way we have to find the perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, rectangle, what it is? BCDE. What is the formula? Twice length plus breadth is the formula. Okay, so 2. What is the length? Length is this. 2 3 by 4, that is BE or CD. Same, it is 11 by 4 plus what was the breadth? This 7 by 6. Okay, now your LCM is 12. Okay, so to convert it 12, what will I do? I will multiply it by 3, multiply by 3 plus 7 by 6. If I want to convert it into 12, I will multiply by 2 up, 2 down. So it will become 2 33 upon 12 plus 14 upon 12, right? So what will be my answer? 33 plus 14 becomes, multiply by 47 upon 12, right? So 1 za 6 za. So what is the perimeter? 47 upon 6. Okay. 47 upon 6. I can convert it. It will become 7, 5 by 6. Okay. So they have asked, next question is that whose perimeter is greater? Then we know that this is, just a minute. Okay. Now they want that whose perimeter is greater. Therefore, perimeter of triangle ABE box, who is greater? Okay. And perimeter of rectangle BCDE. What is the answer? Okay, 177 upon 20, and here it is 47 upon 6. So what will be the LCM? Even you can compare from this directly. Okay, by comparing we know that 8 is greater and 7 is smaller, but still we will go for the LCM method. To make it, I will multiply it 3, multiply by 3, I will make the LCM 60. Okay, so 177 into 3 is 531 upon 60, and here 470 upon 60. Don't look the denominator and tell me who is greater. 531. Okay, therefore the perimeter of a triangle is greater than the rectangle. Even if you can see this, it is from this also it is clear that 8 17 by 20 or 7 5 by 6. Who is greater, 8 or 7? 8. So we can directly also write like this. But for both the method, both the sum answer is clear. Is it clear? The question number 5.